Summer is over, the sun did its job, and happily we have a nice product which is hitting the most exposed parts, from my point of view, the cosmetic windows. But now we have the cosmetic window holder. So nice smooth finish. So we got one. We got the second one. And we have two of the covers, aren't you? So this one, originally this one is like a kind of joint, so we can just open it, pry it open, but this is a ball joint connection, so you have the hole, you have a ball, so anyway, I think it's both good. For our Batmobile, kidding, it's for our SL, of course. That's that. I will show you before we go to the car how the connector looks like and what to be careful of. So let me get the connector and let's move on. Okay, so I have reproduced the situation which we'll be experiencing in the car. So this is the connector which is going to the dome light circuit, and so in this hole we have a X screw which we need to take out. What I would be careful is if it's, of course, the screwdriver is a metal, then if you go inside, firstly remove the cover, that you don't touch both at the same time. So I would unplug the car battery and unscrew this. It's practically really a 5-minute job. And what you need to be careful is, so we will, let's say we are simulating, we unscrewed this one, and now you're taking it off. What will happen is that the contacts will go with the previous holder. So basically you just pull them out. From my point, it pays off more. So this is the old one, we have the new one. You install them in the new one, going so under here, just push it in. Do the same with this one, just push it to the end. Okay, this one's resisting, but anyway. And then, because this is anyhow fixed on the car chassis, you just slide it in. So you see the contacts here, you slide it in, sorry, and then you go with the screw inside the hole, screw it in and close it with the doors. I won't be clicking it now because I need it in the car, but that's the general idea or principle of how to do it. So let's go to the car. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is the original one. You open it and inside you have a X screw, sorry. You need to unscrew it, replace the contacts as I showed you on the bench, insert it in, and that's that.